Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about how to make money online using instant traffic. I'm going to show you a website that generating instant traffic to your post or your affiliate post, whatever you are promoting, and you can make money out of it. This is completely a new website and it started to getting more attention. That you can see it's generating over 6 million views per month. Is a new site that you can see majority of traffic is coming from USA, United Kingdom, Canada. So if you are promoting offers on these countries, you have a more attention and you are able to get organic views for your offers because it's a low competition. Imagine that you are in the early stage of TikTok, because whenever people in the early stage of TikTok, now they have a big accounts with a big followers. So similar to that, these are another social media that you can be joined today and start to make a content for it, and you can get your more attention from those views. You can get more traffic from those views and you can grow your account super fast, guys. So before I show you the website and how you can make money out of it and everything, I walk you through entire step. So I make videos on money making, money saving and tutorials. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So watch the video until the end so you can win £10 PayPal money, and leave me a comment if you like this video. Leave it I like this video, or write me any questions you want me to make a video on that, guys. So the website is called Parler.com, that you can see Parler.com, Parler.com. This is a new social media website that you're growing super fast, guys. Not like a TikTok, but it's growing slowly and steadily, that you can be participate in the early stage so you can get more attention. That you can see very much similar to Twitter, but again you can post contents and anything that you want here and you can get more attention. That you can see this is the one I'm promoting, IDPL affiliate offers, and you can see I posted 18 minutes ago. Okay, this video I'm recording now, that's 18 minutes ago. Already I generated 15 views, and if they slide over this affiliate offers, is my link there. If they can click and they can sign up and I make money, and this is an affiliate offer directly from ClickBank, guys, or any other affiliate offers. See, I put it over there without any issue. But for the CPA marketing or CPA offers or max bounty or CPA lead offers, you need to have an intermediate page. So go and check it out. The previous video I made a link in bio tool, so you can use that tools to put the link here. Otherwise ClickBank links are allowed here. This is a ClickBank link, but again, if not working, you can use link in bio tools. Also, you can see I upload a couple of my YouTube videos here. There's just 2 videos here. Some reason the playback is not working, but they can click the link here and it will take to YouTube. But you can see that 57 minutes ago 22 views, and here 1 hour ago 18 minutes, guys. 18 views, guys. That you can see people are searching for these contents. Why I am saying that? Because these are related to make money online niche or affiliate marketing. That you can see the hashtag trend on now, ebooks, CPA tools. These are the hashtag I put it in personally. But you can see work from home or make money online or CPA marketing or affiliate marketing topics are trending on this website. And if for example, for that I type hashtag affiliate marketing, and let's see how much. You can see there's a different type of hashtags are there. You can see the first one, Twitch affiliate 550 parlays, which means 550 posts, guys. That you can see affiliate marketing 422 parlays. And if I can go with the make money online, see how many of them are there. And you can see make money online 55 parlays, and make money online now 27. And you can see the people are making content related to this topic, and also people are searching for it. Otherwise not many people post content similar to make money online. So what I'm saying is that you can promote anything you want here. It's the same social media like a Facebook or Twitter, Pinterest. You can post anything you want. For example, in this case I want to promote affiliate offers from IDPL. IDPL is where you can get free ebooks. So you can see I already generated 2 sales of around 40 cents, right? 40 cents from IDPL, because all you can see here, and then I generated over 26 unique clicks and or 2 people sign up, and I already made 40 cents. So I want to promote this affiliate offers. So you can get this affiliate offers directly from ClickBank. They have an account there. Also you can get from their own websites. You have to put the ClickBank ID here. So I copy that. What I do, I just copy this image and I made that here. You can see from here I just copy, if I go to my account here, and you can see I just copy that and use the Canva to crop the image. I upload it here and slide over. I put the affiliate link, so you can see sell PLR ebooks and keep 100% of the profit. And you can put the hashtag, you can see the hashtag Apple make money online ebook, PLR ebooks, resell PLR ebooks and sales ebooks. So these are the hashtags. I put it there so people can, you can see already 16 views. If 1 or 2 people click and sign up, I make 20 or 40 cents out of it, guys. So this is how you're gonna do it. So you can do affiliate marketing, or you can promote CP offers, or you can promote your own YouTube channels, guys. You can promote own YouTube videos, and you can make money out of in many ways, guys. You can see, like I said before, it's in another social media page. So you can let's say after refreshing that, and you can see already I have a 4 votes and the 11 views jumped up to 17 views. You can see the views are going up, guys. So this is how you're gonna do it. This is because this is like a blue ocean strategy, guys, because not many people are using it at the moment, because TikTok or Instagram or Pinterest, YouTube are more saturated with these kind of videos and content. So, but these are the social media, there's a lack of competition, guys. So because of the lack of competition, you can promote lots of offers and you can make lots of money from these websites, guys. All you have to do is go to Parler website, and you can go to top and click create new account, and you need to read their policy and term and condition, click agree, put your email address, mobile number and password. That's it. You need to verify that when you register for it, they will send a verification code to your email and you verify for that, and that's it, guys. And you can upload content without any issue. I'm trying to use it every single day as my other promotion, because I upload my videos on my Facebook and Twitter. So I'm gonna upload it on here. I'm gonna use it for affiliate marketing. Let's see if I am able to make money out of from this website. This is a completely free method, and you can get a instant traffic without spending any money. All you have to do is create content, guys. I hope, guys, you understand this video, and if you want to win a 10-point PayPal money, all you have to do is a like. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway. Also leave a comment, I like this video, and put your PayPal address. And also if you want me to make videos on certain topic, leave me that. So write me a comment so I can make a video on that. Under that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.